Hello, everyone. Today we are here in the Madrid studio where we're going to do a fun little trading quiz. Old school trader versus new school trader. We are here joined by Illimar Matus, founder of the Trading Pit and the broker Tick Mill.
Nice to be here.
Welcome, welcome. A trader with more than 20 years of experience. And then we have here Roberto from Naples, Italy, a trader with more than 10 years of experience and one of our success stories here at TP. So let's dive right in, okay? The first is going to be a couple of general questions, okay? So that you can both maybe feel comfortable answering. The first one, we know that the CPA is a very high impact economical report that can spike sometimes volatility in the markets. So if we take a potential CPI release outcome, where the CPA forecast is minus 0.4 negative, and the CPA actual release is minus 0.1%. How is the euro-dollar pair most likely to react immediately after the release?
So I will actually catch her right now because she didn't mention which market, like whether it's the CPI of the US or Europe.
Okay.
So, but let's assume that we are talking about the US
Yes,
because most
yes.
of the traders are following the US. So if the CPI was that the estimate was that it's gonna be negative, but it was actually positive, it means that the inflation in the US is higher than was expected, which means that the central banks mostly has to raise the interest rate eventually. Then it means that euro dollar will drop because the interest rates on the dollar are going to get higher.
Okay. What do you think about this one?
Is the forecast the 0.4?
Yes, but both are negative, actually.
Or negative?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's the reverse.
It's the reverse, right?
So it's going to be positive for euro dollar.
Yes.
Yeah, then it's positive.
The pair will. Okay, perfect. Now we have the both scenarios there.
Quite you.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe a little bit. Okay, but now we know that we both know when we're good for this trading quiz.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go right to the next one. Should that point go to Roberto or to Illimar?
To both of us.
Okay, let's
go.
also take that one. Okay, for the second trading quiz, which of these styles of candle price representation layout does not exist? Japanese candlesticks, volume candles, footprint cluster charts, deep analysis super candle, range bars.
Deep analysis super candle. What is this?
Very good. He already got the point.
So it's the time as well. Who's faster?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, we're gonna do.
Okay, I'm good if he gets the. I was just thinking as well about the super candle. Like, what is
the name is funny, so
It shouldn't be, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the next one. As you know, Trump has made a lot of change in tariff regulations in 2025. When he announced a broad package of import duties, Trump also called it as a Liberation Day. Do you perhaps know on which date Liberation Day happened?
I don't know the date, but I think it was either like March or April. So rather April when the stock market started crashing. So like, I don't know, it could be in the beginning, in the end, I just put it 15th of April.
I think it was in the beginning of April.
Yes. It was actually April the 2nd.
Oh.
So
Wow.
very, very nice. Although he started to make the first public announcement around February, the actual liberation date was around April. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you both that point. You sound very confident.
I like how he puts like this nice names to this, like Liberation Day and a beautiful big bill and something.
So poetic.
It's nice guy.
A very poetic one for sure. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Tropcoin was launched on January 17th of 2025, and it was a big hype in the first 24 hours.
Yeah.
Which market valuation did it reach in the first 24 hours?
So it was probably billions, because when you already say the word Trump, then everything is in billions or trillions. So I would say like 5 billion.
No, it's more.
More?
It's more.
How much more?
I don't remember. If I'm not wrong, 5 billion was Melania coin.
Oh.
Something like this.
Okay.
Trump coin was 20 billion.
Okay.
What was the correct one?
Okay. This one goes to Roberto because he was the most close.
Bello.
27 billion it
27.
reached in the first 24 hours. That's a little bit crazy. Okay, so for the next one, as you know, gold had a huge bull market in 2025. How many percentage did it gain in 2025? If we think about 2nd of January to the last all-time high in the last year.
So mostly it made the move, I think the biggest move towards the end of last year. So, but it was, I think, one of the most best performing commodities last year. So probably like 70-80%. So let's say 70-75%, somewhere around that. Like.
Okay.
Well, I agree with you.
Yeah. Okay. Still, Illimar was completely right. It's between 70 and 74%. So yeah, it was
That's the point.
crazy
Goes to him.
I think
Because-
they should
So
go to him.
what's the correct one?
Between 70 and 74%.
Oh.
It was a big year for gold in this year.
By the way,
as
gold
well.
is interesting as well because gold is quoted in different currencies. So in different currencies, it had actually different run. Like in some currencies, 75, in some others different. So
Mhm.
Moved like a cryptocurrency.
so it's crazy.
Okay, so Illimar, he's 1 point up. Okay?
I'm going to beat you
Let's go. We still have some
with the old school questions.
exactly. Here we're kind of even. Okay, so for the next one. In November 2025, the CME group experienced a major trading outage. For how long approximately this outage lasted?
Well, this is a question much more in favor for him.
You think?
Because he remembered.
But I let Roberto answer first. I gave him an advantage.
I think it was for the whole trading session.
Okay. So how many hours approximately do you think it was?
It was like roughly 10 hours.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Illimar?
I was going to say like 9 hours.
8, 9. Okay, so it started around 5 CAT and ended around 4 p.m. on the November 28th. So it lasted approximately 11 hours. So
Roberto wins again.
Roberto wins again.
I remember well this day because
It was very chaotic, right? For the next one, Illimar, come on, you got this. The US 30 represents an index made of 30 large publicly traded US companies called blue chip stocks. So I'm going to put a timer, okay, for 1 minute. And then you need to mention as many companies as you can in 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
So, well, but maybe it's going to be a little bit of cheating because he's gonna hear the questions. Okay.
Do we have to mention together?
But let's try because I will mostly be probably, I will be wrong as well because I don't trade like the stock so much. So
True.
So maybe let's try.
Okay.
But you can go first. Let him go
Yeah?
first.
Okay.
Yeah, let him go first.
Oh,
Have him advance.
Okay. Are you ready?
okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Well, Apple,
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft,
Yeah.
JP Morgan,
Mm-hmm.
Goldman Sachs, Walt Disney, Visa,
Okay.
Walmart,
Yes.
IBM, oh damn,
Uh-huh.
American Express,
Okay.
Amazon.
Uh-huh. Don't look at my sheet, okay?
No. And
Mm-hmm.
I
Uh-huh.
oh
2019.
I think them all.
That's all?
Yeah.
I think that was a very good shot. Okay. Very nice. So,
Pfizer.
okay, I'm gonna give you that. Let's see. Let's do a little cross check here.
How much did he get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He did 10 out of 30.
Okay.
See if my calculations are correct. That made me.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so what he did not mention probably. Did he mention
We want to do it the hard way.
he mentioned Intel,
No, he didn't.
Microsoft,
Yes, he did. But
uh,
I'm gonna count them anyway.
is Netflix on that as well? Or
No, it's not.
Amazon, he mentioned Apple, he mentioned
Yeah.
Honeywell. Is Honeywell in
Yes, it is.
is Schlumberger or no?
Let's see.
It's just an oil this
No, it's not.
it's Oracle. Is Oracle in Dow?
No, it's not.
It's okay, Amazon was, Apple was, Intel was, what else is big there?
Maybe a sporting shoe
Nike?
company.
Nike's there.
So
Oh,
sorry.
I didn't know that Nike is in Dow. Like, wow.
Okay. Time.
So I got what, 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
I exceeded my capability.
So this one goes to Roberto. Very nice. Oh, this was a fun one.
But what were the stocks that we didn't mention, just for the audience as well to know?
For example, 3M Company,
Oh, of
American Express, Boeing, Caterpillar, Chevron, Cisco, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, Goldman, Home Depot, International Business Machines Corp, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan that was mentioned, McDonald's. Nvidia, Procter & Gamble, Salesforce, Sherwin-Williams, The Travelers Company Inc., United Health Group, Verizon, I think that you mentioned that one, Visa, Walmart, and Disney.
There were actually a couple of companies that I didn't know even that they are.
I think I mentioned Walt Disney.
Yeah.
I think it mentioned actually as well a couple of them, but you didn't count.
Well, a lot going on, people. Come on, give the interviewer some break, okay? But you both did amazing. Very good. Okay, so we're not going to go to the old school questions, okay? So let's see how Illimar goes.
Here I will lose some points.
I will ace on that front. I hope.
Okay, let's see if that's true. So, when was the first online trading platform launched?
So I started trading US stocks in 1998 or 9, and there were already a couple of them.
Okay.
So probably like 10, 15 years earlier, like in 1984.
Okay.
Oh,
Va bene.
well, I don't remember at all. To be honest, because I'm too young to remember. I wasn't born. I wasn't even born. So
So
I got you.
completely you did. So the first one, of course, this goes to Illimar.
But what's the correct answer?
It was July 1983. It was a physician in Michigan executed the first online trade using the system of Trade Plus E-Trade technology.
Oh, E-Trade.
Mhm.
Trade. So early.
Yeah, 83. We were both not born yet.
I was 5 years old then.
Okay. Man, see, we're all young here.
a bit
Come on.
Illimar.
Okay, so this for the next one. On which date did the SP 500 hit 666 and never look back?
This is an answer for Illimar.
So this is actually like this is really good question, because and it's also like the answer is very I know it what it is. It's very interesting in terms of numerology. So those of the traders who are looking at numerology, it's very, very interesting day. I think it was 6th of March 2009.
That's impressive. Yes, that's
So
exactly.
and I was actually, why I remember this day, that I was actually with my brother Ingmar, so we were in trading at that day, and just before the close of the market, so the US session, I remember looking at the chart, and S&P put in 666.
Hmm.
And I remember telling my brother that, but what if actually the stock markets will be closed down, or like there was so much panic on the market
Okay.
that you actually thought that maybe they will close the stock market or the world will end or anything.
Okay.
And then the most funniest thing is that that was the low of the market. And from this point on, up until today, January 2026, the market has only gone up. Like, so the worst of the worst days was the bottom of the market. And
The bottom never touch it back anymore.
yeah, it never, like the next day it opened, I remember, like, and it started going higher, and it even didn't retest the 666. It just went, and that was it.
Okay, and that was a while back now, right?
Yeah, so I got the point.
You got.
Yeah.
I already.
This was
This is the section for Illimar. Okay, we will do your questions. We will do your questions. Okay, so for the next one, the dot-com bubble burst between 2000 and 2002 after several years of rapid growth. The Nasdaq Composite peaked in March 2000 and later reached its lowest point in October 2002. Approximately, by what percentage did the Nasdaq Composite fall during the bubble crash?
Mm-hmm. Well, first of all, it dropped a lot, but I will give you an advantage, so maybe you will answer first.
okay. I was 2 years old at that time.
Okay.
And you remember exactly.
And I remember.
I was watching the charts.
I was
With
looking
my
at the charts.
bottle.
Yeah. No, I don't was looking at the chart. I was not looking at charts, but I remember it because I studied the dot-com bubble, and I remember it was like roughly 85%, minus 90%, something like this.
Okay.
I think 90 is probably too much. I would say like 75% in that range.
Okay. Yeah, the correct answer is 78%.
Okay.
Yes.
But you said what? You said 80.
85.
Okay, so I win.
Yeah, you
Ah.
win.
I like winning.
Yeah. So for a little explanation, yeah, it peaked around 5,048 points in March of 2000, and during the crash, it declined roughly to 1,114 points 2 years later. So yeah, it was a loss about 78%.
Oh.
One of the most severe equity market collapses that we had in modern financial history.
By the way, at that time, like those of you who don't know, so Apple stock, which is today, I think, at 3 trillion or something, the value of the market
Okay.
of this stock, at that time in March 2000, it was about 20, $30 billion only. So
Yeah.
it's gone up 100 times.
That's impressive.
Insane.
Okay, so for the next one, it's also related to the dot-com bubble crash. So Amazon experienced as well one of the largest drawdowns among surviving tech companies.
Hmm.
So approximately how much did Amazon lose in this dot-com crash?
I think it was about to fail company. It was like 90%, something like this.
Okay.
I do remember that a lot of stocks went like down a lot, like so I would say as well, like somewhere around 90. Yeah, it could have been 90.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
You're both spot on. It was 95% decline. So it was a very severe one. I'm going to give that point to both of you.
Oh.
So, Illimar, you are going to have to say as much of trading related books as possible in 1 minute. Okay.
Wow, that's tough. Like
It's tough? Nah, I don't think so. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Trading in the Zone, Market Wizards. Actually, there have been couple of Market Wizards book.
Okay.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Actually, from this book, I have learned a lot of things about real estate, but trading, wow. To be honest, I haven't read trading books for years. I'm really struggling with this.
It's the same for me.
I've read books about the history of Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, but it's not really. These are like biographies. And but about trading, really, it's I'm really struggling. Which is strange.
Yeah.
It will be difficult for me. Yeah.
Okay. So Illimar, you had two?
Yeah, it's two. But both of these two books are actually one of the best trading books of all the books. So I'm very proud that I knew these. I've read both of them a couple of times.
Okay. As long as it's a good material, I think that it's good. Do you want to put the timer, or you think?
I think you don't need the timer, because I remember like roughly 3-4 books.
Okay.
The first one is Trading in the Zone, of course.
Okay.
I've read it a couple of times.
Yes.
Technical Analysis from John J. Murphy, the Red Book. It was one of my first books. Wyckoff, A Methodology 2.0. It's a book that explains Wyckoff methodology linked to volume analysis. And Market Wizards.
I don't know if we should count those.
It's all my two ideas.
Yes.
Very good zone. I swear I read it a lot of times. So
Trading in the Zone for our audience. So it's a book by Mark Douglas. It's the best book about. We talked about trading psychology, and this it's the best book anybody should read about psychology, how it impacts, how to deal with psychological problems, etc. Very, very good book.
Okay, so Trading in the Zone. Okay.
Yeah. Also, the Smart Investor or something like this. But it's not related to trading. I mean, it's investing.
Okay, it's more general.
There are a lot of like Intelligent Investor, and like there are a lot of like investing related books, but like specifically trading.
The Warren Buffett method also. I've read it.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that I'm not gonna put a point to anyone here, just because
we failed, both of us.
No, you didn't fail. You did amazing, but he repeated two of your books, so we can say it was like 2 and 2. You know, maybe. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, so now for the next section of the trading quiz for the new school questions. Let's see. I have hope for you as well here, because you're a very online person. So I think that you will both do great here. So ICT, known as Michael G. Huddleston, widely known on social media for teaching smart money concepts, focuses on market structure, liquidity, institutional behavior. The question is, how many followers does his YouTube channel has? Illimar for the win.
Yeah. You remember?
No, to be honest, I have been there only once or twice there, but because it's like quite popular, so I would say maybe like 300,000.
No, it's more.
It's more.
It's more. I've seen his channel some days ago, so I remember that.
Okay.
How much?
It's 2 million.
Wow. It's correct.
Yeah, it's very good. It recently reached the 2 million. So okay, so for the next one. Polymarket is a popular prediction market platform where users can place bets on real-world events. So last year, 2025, approximately how much total trading volume was placed in Polymarket predictions across all markets?
Did you bet on the Venezuela event?
No, but I know somebody made 400,000 on this.
With just 30,000.
Wow.
So maybe like I mean, Polymarket was big already for some time. So perhaps like 5 billion, or I for some reason I've heard 5 billion like about Polymarket.
Billion is right.
That is right.
Yeah.
So it's like more than 5 billion. It's more than 5 billion.
Yeah.
You are giving him answers. So
I gave you a tip on the other question. We need to be fair here.
15 billion.
Okay, it was close. 21.5 billion in total volume in 2025. for the next one. Donald Trump is known for posting very frequently on Truth Social. What was the highest number of posts he made in a single day during 2025? This counts post, repost, or retruth, or whatever it's called in that platform. Come on.
I
think
just
you
want
know
I want Roberto to win. I want it's
Why? Why? No, I want you to win.
Keep on.
go, go.
An
I
estimate.
okay. So he's pretty active on social media,
Yeah.
especially on Truth.
Yes, a lot.
So it can be something around 100.
Okay.
I think he's a pretty interesting personality.
Yeah.
So maybe like some days he goes completely off. So
Yeah.
maybe he has done even 300. Like I don't know. Like so my bet is 300.
300.
Okay, Roberto wins this one because it was actually approximately 160 posts in one day.
160.
That was a very active day for the president, of course.
Maybe one day we could have Donald Trump in this quiz. It would be interesting to ask from him like trading related questions because people are saying that his like sons and nephews and everybody are trading also inside or
Maybe on Poly Market.
yeah.
Maybe.
So he should probably know a lot about trading as well.
Yeah, probably. He will spill some hot facts here.
The day before Maduro got caught, somebody put a bet on the Maduro.
Really?
Yeah.
Very lucky person.
Very lucky.
I mean, it was something that it was maybe we can see it coming, no, from a few months ago, but the day before, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Consistency. Okay, so that went to Roberto.
Bravo.
Bravo, Roberto. The next one, Instagram, of course, it's a platform used a lot by traders to share contents, results, idea. How many times approximately the hashtag trading has been used on Instagram since forever?
Now,
Wow.
I don't know this.
300 million.
Million. No. Okay.
300 million.
Could be billion even. Like theoretically, it could be billion. Like there are millions of trillions.
I don't think it's used that much.
Let's go lower.
Wait,
I stay with 300 billion.
You stay with that? Okay.
Did I say million or billion?
Million.
Okay, 300 million. I stay with
Okay.
that.
Maybe 100 million or 200.
Okay. The answer is 45.7 million times.
Oh, but it's not so much.
It's not so much. Yeah.
Wow. So Roberto wins again.
I think so.
Bellissimo.
Or,
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I mean, you're both kind of far.
Yeah.
So let's Neil.
Yeah.
Okay. Neil point. Okay. So now, for the last question of this new school section, name as much as Instagram trading influencers you know. Okay. So, well, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you want,
Fine.
actually.
Yeah.
In 60 seconds.
Yeah, I mean, we can put a timer, but I feel like you know what you know, and the time doesn't go.
Somebody like a guru, also something like this.
Trading influencers.
Trading,
Yeah, if you prefer to say like good quality influencers, that would be a better option. I think so. Okay.
You can go first.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3,
Wow.
go.
Wow. Well, for sure, ICT.
Mhm.
Well, in my mind, they come out all the gurus because I look at them and I see
Okay, then shoot.
Mamba FX,
Okay.
FX Alex G.
Okay.
Well,
Mhm.
it's TJR
Okay.
and Roberto Riccio.
Very good. The handle here, please.
But it's not in the section of the gurus.
No. Good quality content. Good quality.
Well,
Okay. And 10. 9.
That's
We're done.
that's right.
Okay. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including himself. So you know that that's per game. Illimar, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay, so I will start because we are in Madrid. I will start in Spain. So Alvaro Capello,
Mm-hmm.
John Trader,
Mm.
Felix from Phoenix Academy.
Mm-hmm.
Who else? Ivan from Black Sheep. Then
He's cheating me.
then Murilo in Brazil.
Yes.
Murilo, I really appreciate. He's a very good guy. Then Kristjan Kullamägi, has a Estonian origin, but he's a Swedish guy. He's going to be featured in the next Market Wizards book.
Okay.
He's a really cool guy. I mean, there's so many actually. Like
You're doing great.
Roberto Riccio.
Uh-huh. Fair play.
Yeah. There are Joseph Daria from Dubai.
Okay, and that entered in the minute Joseph Arias. So I already can see here that Illimar won by a landslide, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice.
By the way, all of the guys at the Mensa, they are also good traders. So it's really, some of them I know personally really appreciate like their knowledge that they're sharing also with our audience. So Roberto as well. So
Thank you, Metal.
very much appreciate them.
Okay, so I think that was. Don't look at the results yet. That was the last question of
Will
the
there be a
trading quiz.
prize or something?
Yeah, we can give you a prize for sure. So yes, for this trading quiz, we have Illimar with 8 points, okay, and we have Roberto with 10 points.
That was tough. Like it hurt a lot.
You wanted me to win.
Yes.
I achieved my objective.
Of course, like.
By the way, I knew better all the answers than you, but I wanted you to win.
Okay, so well, this was very fun.
Yeah, this was a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun. Thank you guys for coming, for sharing your ideas, for participating. Congratulations to Roberto.
Thank you, and congratulations, Roberto. So yeah,
Yeah, and well,
drinks are on you.
sounds like that's your prize. Yeah. Thank you everybody for watching, and have a good day.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye.